Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the honest scoop on the latest products. Today, we're taking a close look at the Eureka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile, lightweight, and powerful option designed to handle everything from pet hair to deep carpet cleaning. If you're tired of vacuums that leave dirt behind or get clogged with hair, this one promises to change the game with its anti-tangle brushroll and smart tech. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. The Eureka Cordless Vacuum is a rechargeable stick vacuum built to tackle a variety of surfaces. It's equipped with an anti-tangle nozzle, which features special fins and dense comb strips to guide hair away from the brush roll in real time. This keeps the roller clean and unobstructed, ensuring consistent suction power, especially when cleaning carpets. For pet owners, this feature is a game changer, as it significantly reduces the need for manual cleanup. We've all been there, spending more time untangling hair from the brush than actually cleaning. So it's nice to see Eureka has put some thought into solving that. Let's talk about performance. The vacuum delivers 350 watts of suction power, which is quite impressive for a cordless model. Whether you're dealing with embedded dust in carpets or pet hair on hard floors, the vacuum's suction should handle it with ease. The H13 HEPA filter ensures that 99.95% of microparticles are captured, which is fantastic for allergy sufferers. The fully sealed system prevents any dust from leaking back into the air, so you're not just cleaning your floors, but also maintaining cleaner air in your home. Another standout feature is the Smart Sense+React technology. This vacuum automatically adjusts its suction power and brush roll speed based on the surface you're cleaning and the level of dust in the area. So, when you move from a tile floor to a thick carpet, you don't have to manually change settings. The vacuum detects dust concentration in real time and boosts suction where needed. It's like having a smart vacuum that does the thinking for you, making it ideal for homes with mixed flooring or for people with health concerns. In terms of runtime, the Eureka vacuum doesn't disappoint. With a 60-minute runtime, it's designed to cover over 1,600 square feet without needing a mid-clean charge. This is more than enough for an average-sized home, but for those who want to go the extra mile, there's an optional detachable battery available separately. This means you can extend your cleaning time indefinitely, which is perfect for those who tend to clean larger areas or simply don't want to worry about running out of juice mid-clean. The vacuum is lightweight, which makes it easy to handle, even for longer cleaning sessions. It also converts from an upright vacuum to a handheld device with ease, allowing you to clean stairs, upholstery, and even car interiors without a hitch. The fingertip controls let you switch between 3 power modes: low, auto, and high. This gives you the flexibility to adjust suction depending on the surface you're cleaning, whether that's delicate hardwood floors or thick carpets. In real-world testing, the Eureka Cordless Vacuum shines in a few key areas. On hard floors, it glides effortlessly, picking up crumbs, dust, and pet hair with ease. It's also great on carpets, especially when set to the auto mode, where it adjusts to the right suction power based on the floor type. We put it to the test on embedded dirt and pet hair, and it did an excellent job of lifting them up without any noticeable loss in suction. When cleaning stairs, the handheld mode proved to be just as effective, and the included crevice tool made getting into tight spots a breeze. However, like with many stick vacuums, the larger dust canister does need to be emptied regularly, especially after cleaning multiple rooms or large areas. Of course, no vacuum is without its downsides. For instance, while the vacuum does well on most surfaces, some users might find that it requires a little more attention when it comes to deep cleaning thick carpets. The suction power is solid, but if you have very high-pile carpets, you might need to spend more time going over the same spot. Additionally, while the vacuum is lightweight, it does feel a bit top-heavy when you're using it in handheld mode, especially for extended cleaning sessions. Now let's talk about value. For the price, the Eureka Cordless Vacuum offers a lot of features, especially considering its smart technology, anti-tangle brush roll, and HEPA filtration. It's not the cheapest vacuum on the market, but it justifies its price by providing solid suction, excellent filtration, and the convenience of cordless cleaning. If you're in the market for a vacuum that handles a variety of surfaces with ease and can help reduce allergens in the air, this model is definitely worth considering. That being said, if you're looking for a vacuum primarily for deep carpet cleaning, you might want to look at higher-powered models or ones with larger motors. When comparing this vacuum to others in its price range, such as the Shark Vertex Cordless Stick or the Dyson V8, the Eureka stands out for its Anti-Tangle Brushroll and Smart Sense+React technology. While the Shark and Dyson vacuums also offer strong suction, the Eureka's real-time dust detection and automatic power adjustments give it an edge for those looking for a more hands-off cleaning experience. The Eureka is also a bit more affordable, which might make it a better option for those on a budget who still want top-tier features like HEPA filtration and pet hair removal. In terms of build quality, the Eureka Cordless Vacuum feels solid. The plastic used in the body is durable without feeling cheap, and the connections between the wand and attachments are secure, so there's little chance of things breaking off during use. The brush roll is easy to clean, and the dustbin is large enough that you won't need to empty it after every room, though you will need to keep an eye on it if you're cleaning larger areas. The vacuum also includes a filter that's easy to clean and replace, but you'll want to check that periodically to ensure it's working at full capacity. Customer support for Eureka generally receives positive reviews. While I haven't had direct experience with this vacuum's customer service, Eureka's reputation for after-sales support is solid, and they offer a good warranty with their products. If any issues do arise, the support team is responsive and efficient, making it easy to get assistance when you need it. So, to wrap things up, the Eureka Cordless Vacuum is a versatile, easy-to-use option that balances performance with convenience. If you have a mix of floor types in your home, need a vacuum that handles pet hair, or want something with smart technology to make cleaning easier, this one's worth a look. It's best suited for smaller to medium-sized homes, and especially for those with allergies or pets. While it's not the most powerful vacuum for ultra-deep carpet cleaning, it delivers solid performance on a range of surfaces and is a great all-around option for everyday use. If you're looking for a lightweight, hassle-free vacuum that doesn't break the bank, the Eureka Cordless Vacuum might just be the perfect fit. If you're interested in picking up the Eureka Cordless Vacuum, be sure to check out the product link in the comments below. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences with this vacuum in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools. Goodbye till next time, and may your floors always be spotless.